Hi, I am Sherin Beevi, Assistant Professor in CSE Department from RMD Engineering College. So now discussed about the topic is difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. So microprocessor example is laptop, mobile phone and personal computer, supercomputer, etc. Microcontroller means controlling of any electronic devices. As a refrigerator to control it, as a washing machine we have to control some motor and to control some electronic devices. Microprocessor is a heart of computer system. Microcontroller is a heart of any electronic devices or embedded system. It is only a processor. So memory and IO components need to be connected externally. So microprocessor means it is only the processor. Microcontroller has a processor along with the internal memory, RAM, ROM and any IO devices. Memory and IO has connected externally, so circuits becomes large. But in microcontroller, memory and IO are already present and the internal circuit is small. Inside a single chip, random access memory, read memory, serial port, interrupt, timer, all are in a single chip. Here only the processor only the chip. Additionally or externally connecting IO devices, memory devices, interrupt controller, timer controller or any other interfaces. You cannot use in compact system. Microcontroller means it is a smaller devices. So compact system we have to use the microcontroller. The cost of the entire system is high only because it is a processor processing of all the devices similar to the CPU. Processor means it is a CPU, central processing unit. So it will be additionally externally connected to any other devices. Here the cost of the entire system is low only. Due to the external components, the total power consumption is high. So therefore, it is not ideal for the devices running on stored power like batteries. In microcontroller, external components are low, the total power consumption is less. So it can be used with the devices running on stored power like batteries. Most of the microprocessors do not have the power saving features. Here most of the microcontroller offer power saving mode. Microprocessor has a smaller number of registers, so more operations are memory based. Here it has number of registers, so the programs are easier to write. In 8051, it is one of the example of the microcontroller. It has number of special function register is there. A register, B register, R1, R2, number of ports, different number of register is there. But here 8086, it is one of the example of the microprocessor. So here it is support only 4 general purpose register, 4 special purpose register AX, BX, CX and DX. Microprocessor based on Newman model. Microcontroller based on Harvard architecture. So it is a central processing unit on a single silicon based integrated IC, integrated chip. So here it is a byproduct of the development of microprocessor with the CPU along with the other peripherals. Other peripherals like interrupt controller, timer, serial port, etc. It has no RAM, ROM, IO unit, timer and other peripheral devices on a chip. The chip is depends only the CPU like a processor. But in the microcontroller, in a single IC or chip combined with the CPU also, along with the RAM, ROM, other peripheral embedded on the single chip. So collection of RAM, ROM, interrupt timer, CPU combined together, it is called a microcontroller. Only the processor, it is called a microprocessor. It uses an external bus to interface RAM, ROM, and other peripheral devices. Because processor mean it is like only the CPU. In this CPU pin, only the processor. If you want additionally attached with the memory devices and IO devices, so external bus to connected to the interface. It uses an internal controlling bus because all are inbuilt in a single chip, so all are internally connected. If you want external memories also can able to connect, but the proper structure of the microcontroller is internal controlling bus only. A microprocessor based system can run at very high speed because of the technology involved. Nowadays, AI technology involved with the microprocessor. So nowadays, quantum computing processor also very advanced. Nowadays, in the recent advanced processor is quantum computer only. Microcontroller based systems run up to 200 megahertz. That is depends on the architecture. One microcontroller, another microcontroller have lot of difference. It is used for general purpose applications. Here it is used for some specific purposes. So to controlling of the particular devices, that purpose only we have to use. It is very complex and expensive with a large number of instruction to process. It is very simple and inexpensive with less number of instruction to process. Thank you.